check the notes, and it's here in part C. It's this first part where anytime we have a fraction, that means that we're going to need to look for division by zero. That's what's going to mess up the domain. And that is because, oh, there's my pen, pop over here. If I try to do a number, like 1, oops, let's get a pen going, 1 divided by 0, that is undefined. And so I have to look out for things that would make the denominator 0. So to solve any of these ones that are rational functions is what they're called, we can just take our denominator and set that equal to 0 and solve. So I'll subtract the 3 on both sides, and I get x equals negative 3. And what I actually found was what x can't equal. And the reason is, you can see if I put negative 3 in there, I would get 4 divided by 0, and that's undefined again. To write this in interval notation is really obnoxious. So we want to say, if we thought of this as a number line, if that is negative 3, we're trying to say everything except the negative 3. So we're just trying to exclude that one spot. So we would start here at negative infinity, and then comma, that would go to negative 3, and then I want to be careful to use a parenthesis there, not a bracket, because I'm trying to exclude that spot. And then remember, we have to use a union to paste these two things together, and then we pick back up on the other side of 3, and then that goes all the way out to infinity. So this is the really long way of saying x isn't negative 3, but in interval notation. So for any of these rational ones, that's it. It doesn't matter what's in the denominator. I think for this one, I did one with a coefficient. And you just take whatever is here, set it to 0, and then that gives you the number that you have to exclude from the denominator.